This is why you need a better bike seat. A comfy saddle isn't just for pros, it's for anyone with a butt. Here are 5 upgrades that'll totally transform your next ride. Let's jump in. First up, the comfortable seat cushion. Dual shock-absorbing balls mean potholes are no match, and the extra-wide memory foam. Say goodbye to ouch after an hour. Next, the width-adjustable bike seat. Premium foam hugs your shape, and you get 5 ergonomic zones for pain-free pedaling. Bonus, it's waterproof and fits almost any bike. Third, the Velmia saddle. Think squishy foam, built-in air vents, and a totally waterproof design. Choose from 3 versions to match your style, and the install is so easy you'll be back on the road in no time. Fourth, the width continuously adjustable seat. Custom fit your saddle width, no more numbness. Supportive, comfy, and super fast to install. And finally, the AE saddle, designed for zero groin pressure and ultimate comfort, even on epic rides. Ready to upgrade? Click below and treat your backside to the best ride ever.